A well-maintained deck will last many, many years. Eventually, they will start to need some attention. The first sign that a deck is having real problems is when you start to notice the black caulking coming out of the seams. This happens when you wash a deck and the caulking will become dislodged from the inside of the teak. What this means is that there's not enough depth in those caulk seams to hold the caulk in place. Some decks are built with what's called a rabbeted seam, meaning there is still a good bit of teak underneath the caulking. Now, our decks are made with full depth caulk seams. If there is still teak left underneath the caulk that's coming out, we can do a process called reseaming. Now that's where we remove all of the existing caulking and come through with special track saws to cut the remaining teak in those seams down to the bottom. We then refill the seams with caulking and sand it out. This will give you another several years to the life of your deck.